Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Ford Explorer Sport. It has a 3.5 liter engine, V6, front wheel drive and 4x4. Go ahead and drop the hood and take you for a tour. It does have the black wheels. The black on black looks really cool. This is power liftgate. That is a tow package cover and dual exhaust, quad outputs. Right here you have your power folding seats, which are very, very cool. And they will go down to stow as well if you wanted them to stow. So Ford's come a long ways on their designs. They're awesome. Once those are up, I'll just go ahead and put that lift gate down. Super convenient. They do have the turn signals there in the mirrors. This is a metallic black. It is black leather with red stitching in the seats. Very, very cool. Also, you have your climate control and your power supplies here in the back. You also see kind of a carbon fiber look in the accents and the doors and the dash. Your driver presets, your Illuminated Explorer, and here is your VIN right here. Your lights, your tow settings. I'll go ahead and turn this down so you can hear me better. Okay, it does have a push button ignition. There's your mileage at 16,620 miles. These toggles right here will toggle your different settings and indicators. Okay. Right here we say that we have no phone connected, which I won't connect my phone. We'll wait until you connect yours. Here's your audio. You do have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth. Here are your climate controls. Everything that you control down here will show up here. You connect your phone. Here's your navigation with your maps and your various apps that you can work with. And here's the backbone that controls everything, your push to talk and voice activations, radio navigation, all that kind of fun stuff. Here you have your shifter, and you also have your terrain selector. You have additional power supplies inside right there. So you also have your sunroof, and this particular vehicle does have a branded title. It did have an impact here in the rear, which you can see we got it all fixed up. Turned out to only be cosmetic, so we were able to fix it up, and it passed our 150-point inspection and our state of Utah safety inspection. We do have a number of SUVs here on the lot, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.